Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on calculus. No? And sa previous video, pinag-aralan natin yung paggamit ng derivative to get the slope of a function at any points and at particular points. No? So dito sa video na to, mag-solve tayo ng another problem which is another type no, na lumalabas sa mga exams. That's the equation of the line tangent to a function. Pag nakuha natin yung slope ng line, since line siya, we just need one point, no? Kasi pwede na natin gamitin yung point slope form. Naalala nyo yung point slope form? Pag meron kang slope na m, tsaka meron kang point na x sub 1, y sub 1, no? Pwede mo na gamitin yung formula na y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times quantity x minus x sub 1 to get the formula of or to get the equation of the line. So, yan yung gagamitin natin itong equation na to get the equation of the line tangent to 0 of x equals x cubed minus 3x. So, find the equation of the line. So, kailangan natin yung slope. Sabi natin, kailangan natin slope at dalawang points. And since meron tayong equation, pwede natin kunin yung slope by getting the derivative. No? Slope means derivative, diba? Slope of g of x is the same as the derivative of g of x. So, pag ginawa natin yung derivative ng g of x, we have g prime of x equals 3, pababa natin, and then x, bawasan natin ang isa, di ba? Naalala nyo pababa ng derivative. And then this one, minus 3. So, ito na yung slope. This is the slope of g, the function g at any point. Kaso may particular point tayo na x equals 2, meaning we can get the slope of the function at at x equals 2 by substituting. So substitute natin yung 2 sa x, magiging g prime of 2 equals 3 times 2 squared minus 3, which is equal to 4 minus, this is 4 times 3. 12 minus 3, 9. This is the derivative of the function at x equal to. At x equals 2. This is the derivative, which means this is the slope, diba, of g at x equals 2. Remember, kinukuha natin yung equation ng line na tangent to the function at x equals 2. So, meron na tayong slope. Actually, yung 9, this is the slope, di ba? Actually, this is m, di ba? Slope siya nung tangent line. So, may value na tayo for m. Meron tayong 9. Now, kailangan na natin yung point, yung x sub 1, y sub 1, kasi yun na isa-substitute natin dito. X sub 1, y sub 1. Ito yung particular point, no, na hinahanap natin para magamit natin yung formula na to. Now, ang may given lang tayo, x equals 2. Ibig sabihin, nakukuha na natin yung y ng function, di ba? Pag dito natin sinubstitute, gusto ko linawin sa inyo, pag dito natin sinubstitute sa may derivative, ibig sabihin, slope yon. Kasi derivative means slope, no? Kaya yung sinubstitute natin 2, inakuha natin yung 9. This is the slope of the function g at x equals 2. Pero pag dito natin sinubstitute, ano magiging result niyan? Yan yung y value niya, di ba? So, g of y value ng function natin, g of 2 is equal to 2 cubed minus 3 times 2. So, ilan yan? 8 minus, ilan yan? 6. This is 2. This is the y value of the function. Y value at x equals 2. Meaning, meron na tayong x sub 1, y sub 1. And what's that? That's 2. Yung x natin ay 2. At yung result natin, yung y value natin ay 2. So, 2 siya actually. So, meron na tayong m. M equals 9. Tapos, meron na tayong point na 2, 2. we can now use this formula, di ba? So y minus y sub 1, which is 2. Ito yung y sub 1 natin, yung y niya. Equals to m 9 times x minus, what is x sub 1? 2 pa rin. So meaning y minus 2 is equal to 9x minus 18, which is y equals, pag pinalas natin yung 2 sa both sides, mawawala ito, magiging 0, plus 2 magiging 9x minus 16. Ano na to? Ano yung 9x minus 16? This is the equation, di ba? Equation of the line yan, di ba? This is a line. This is a linear function. So, equation of the line tangent to G at x equals 2. So, ito na actually yung sagot dun sa tanong natin. This is the equation. Hinahanap natin yung equation ng line na tangent sa function at x equals 2. At ang ginawa natin, para makuha natin yung equation ng line, kailangan natin ng slope. Kailangan natin ng slope, kaya tayo kumuha ng derivative. Kinuha natin yung derivative ng G. Derivative means slope. Again, paulit-ulit ko yung sinasabi. So, na may slope na tayo, kailangan natin ng point galing dun sa function kasi kailangan natin gamitin yung point slope formula. So, ang point slope formula, pag may slope ka at may point, coordinates ng point, ibig sabihin, pwede mo nang kunin yung equation ng line. And since may slope na tayo dito, nakuha na natin yung 9, para tayo makakuha ng function, ng value dun sa function, ginamit na natin itong x equals 2 para makuha yung y value niya. Nakuha natin yung y value niya na 2 also, so we already have a point na meron ng coordinates na 2, 2. So pag meron na tayong slope na 9 at coordinates at point na may coordinates 2, 2, pwede na natin gamitin yung point slope formula. Kaya nakuha natin yung equation ng line, no? Tangent to G at x equals 2. Now, the last part of this video is tignan nga natin yung function na to, no? Tapos tignan natin kung ano yung line na tangent to the function at x equals 2. So, x cubed minus 3x, f of x equals x cubed minus 3x. And gusto natin malaman yung, nakita nyo yung 2 dito, no? 2, 2 siya, di ba? Pag ang x mo equals 2, ang y mo equals 2. Ito yung sinolve natin kanina, no? Yung sinolve natin kanina. At x equals 2, sorry dito. At x equals 2, ano yung value ng y mo? 2 rin. Ito yung kanina, no? So, at x equals 2, ito yung x natin, di ba? Ang value ng y mo ay 2. Hinanap natin yung point sa function. Of course, it could be another point. Other points, pero since requirement na tangent siya dito, dapat 2 yung gagamitin natin. No? Next, kunin natin yung tangent ng function dun sa passing through A, di ba? Passing through 2, 2. Dapat ang magiging sagot natin dyan, magiging equation dapat ng line is 9x minus 6. So we get the line tangent to G at x equals 2, dapat yun yung magiging equation natin. Tignan natin pag iba yung naging equation yan, mali tayo. Ibig sabihin mali. So we get the tangent line. Then click the graph of the function and click the point. 9x minus 6. O, di ba? Tama tayo. So 9x, hindi siya 9x minus 6, but 9x minus 16. So tama naman tayo, no? 9x minus 16. Okay, so sana ay medyo maliwanag yung ating tutorial, no? Siguro, baka I'll have one more example sa problem na to, yung finding the equation of tangent line. Bago ako magtapos, gusto ko kayong invite sa Sipnayan YouTube channel, no? Ito yung ating address, and gusto ko rin kayong invite sa Sipnayan Facebook page at sa ating website. So, mag-subscribe kayo kasi marami pa tayong pag-aaral at sinasabi ko sa iyo, dami ko pang i-upload. And of course, sa ating Facebook page, marami tayong in-upload dyan every day, no? See you in the next tutorial.